Are you gambling with your safety? Ignoring that little warning light on your dashboard could have catastrophic consequences. In this video, we are exposing the hidden dangers of power steering problems and giving you the knowledge you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. We will uncover the common culprits behind power steering failure, from simple fixes you can do yourself to serious issues that demand immediate professional attention. Friends, welcome back to the channel. That little light on your dashboard, the one that looks like a steering wheel with an exclamation point, can be a real source of stress. It's the power steering warning light, and seeing it illuminate can instantly fill you with dread. Trust me, I've been there, that sinking feeling in your stomach, the, oh no, what now, thoughts racing through your mind. It's not fun, but don't panic just yet. In this video, we were going to break down 5 common reasons why that pesky light might be on, and what you can do about it. Reason 1. Low power steering fluid. This is often the simplest and most common culprit. Think of power steering fluid like the lifeblood of your steering system. It helps make turning your wheels smooth and effortless. If the fluid level is low, your steering can become heavy and difficult, and that warning light will likely pop on. What to do? Locate your power steering fluid reservoir. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure where it is. Carefully check the fluid level. If it's low, top it up to the recommended level using the correct type of fluid. Again, your owner's manual is your best friend. Sometimes, just a quick top-up is all you need. Reason 2. Leaky hoses or connections. If your power steering fluid is consistently low, even after you top it off, you probably have a leak somewhere in the system. This could be a leaky hose, a loose connection, or even a problem with the power steering pump itself. What to do? Visually inspect the hoses and connections for any signs of leaks. Look for wet spots, stains, or any obvious damage. If you find a leak, it's best to take your car to a mechanic as soon as possible. Don't try to fix it yourself unless you have the necessary experience. Reason 3. Worn or damaged belt. The power steering pump is driven by a belt. If that belt is worn, cracked, or loose, it can't properly power the pump, and your steering will suffer. What to do? Inspect the belt for any signs of wear or damage. Look for cracks, fraying, or missing chunks. If the belt looks bad, it needs to be replaced. Again, this is usually a job for a mechanic. Reason 4. Faulty sensor or electrical issue. Modern cars often use electronic power steering, EPS systems. These systems rely on sensors and electrical components to function correctly. If a sensor malfunctions or there's an electrical issue, it can trigger the warning light. What to do? Unfortunately, diagnosing and fixing electrical problems or sensor issues often requires specialized tools and knowledge. This is definitely a job for a qualified mechanic. Reason 5. Problems with the power steering pump or rack. In more serious cases, the problem could be with the power steering pump itself or the rack and pinion system. These are more complex components, and problems with them usually require professional attention. What to do? If you've checked the fluid, the hoses, and the belt, and the light is still on, it's time to take your car to a mechanic. They'll be able to properly diagnose the problem and get you back on the road safely. So, there you have it. 5 common reasons why your power steering light might be on. Remember, don't panic, check the basics, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Driving with a malfunctioning power steering system can be dangerous, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.